Okay guys, here's day 2. And now I'm gonna eat the promised green mixed fruits. Let's go. I'm gonna cut this open and I'm gonna get a spoon. Here you go. I'm gonna record myself eating it. Guys, I don't know why I did this, but it's now in the ice. It's because the ice is so soft. Yeah, let me fast forward this until I'm done. Actually, yeah, that's all I can record. Bye-bye.